Welcome to BCSD News. I'm Mark Christian, filling in for Tabitha Mills. Here's a look at what's happening in the Bakersfield City School District. Our district hosted an inspiring assembly this week featuring Dr. Jose Hernandez, whose remarkable story, highlighted in the movie A Million Miles Away, took him from being a farm worker to becoming a NASA astronaut.
I was able to get that opportunity. And let me tell you, it involved a lot of hard work.
Our 7th graders were captivated by his message and his experience from working in the fields to reaching for the stars, emphasizing how hard work and dedication can make even the biggest dreams come true.
I would say never, ever, ever give up on yourselves. We are our own worst enemies in giving up. And listen to my story, watch my movie A Million Miles Away. You'll see that I was rejected not once, twice, 3 or 4 times. It was 11 rejections. It wasn't until the 12th time that I finally got selected to be part of the 19th class of NASA astronauts.
Dr. Hernandez's story really struck a chord with the students, who were both fascinated by his experiences and motivated by his message. It was a day to remember, one that reflects our district's commitment to offering experiences that inspire and encourage students to dream big. The assembly was a huge success thanks to the hard work of our staff and the enthusiasm of the students, who are always ready to learn and grow.
She's our vice principal, and you'll see her out front a lot of the times in the morning. Her and Mr. Anthony are out front.
Owens Elementary kicked off a new initiative called Read Together, Grow Together, aimed at getting parents more involved in their child's education. The Parent Club encourages parents to volunteer in the classroom and help foster a love for reading. At the first meeting, parents received books and packets of seeds, representing the growth they can inspire in their children's reading and development. They also learned just how much their involvement on campus can positively impact their child's academic and personal growth.
I grew up in the foster care system, and my parents weren't as active in my school, and so I feel like it's a big impact, like they were saying, being more active in my kid's life and in my kid's school feels like that would set very high standards for her in the future.
Remember, your participation matters. Reach out to your school today to find out how you can get involved to help spark your child's passion for reading and learning. It's a new year of learning for our students and our parents. Our annual Parent University Kickoff is scheduled for Saturday, September 14th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Cato Middle School. Join parents from across the district and engage in meaningful workshops and programs aimed at helping families grow together. Visit bcsd.com to register or contact your school's FACE liaison for more information. And finally, we end this edition of BCSD News acknowledging those who have gone above and beyond so far this school year. Congratulations to our August Excellence in Education Award recipients. Well done.